So guys, what I'm about to show you is very powerful and essential. If you have not subscribed, kindly do so and get notified anytime I post a video like this. Brace yourself and let's get into it. So you're going to take a quick look at the ChatGPT AI and how it is used. So the ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. So what it basically does is it is trained to actually provide human-like responses to the user. Yeah, basically that is what it does. So it is more like human response generator. Yeah. So let's see how it works. Let's delve into it quickly. So I'm gonna introduce you to the chat GPT. So in my previous video, I introduced you to a Chrome extension which provides the inbuilt chat GPT tool. Yeah. So you have the option of using chat GPT in the extension only if you have downloaded it. If you haven't, you can also use it in the Chrome browser without the extension. So let's go on. Let's try it. Isn't it sublime? Of course it is. So this scrubs the internet and provides you with human-like answers to majority of your questions you ask it. Yeah. So for students, I urge you to make this a learning tool rather than a solution provider. So let's visit the site, type ChatGPT login. So it takes you to this. Click on the first link. You are redirected to this page. So you are required to log in or sign up. You should have an account with this site. So I have an account. So I'm gonna log in with my Google account. Yeah. Yeah, of course. So it takes us to the page. Let's try it out. Let's see if it works. So you could see from the left side of my screen, I've used it a couple of times and I can say it's the software you'll be wanting to use or you want to use. Yeah. So in this video, I'm gonna perform a few tasks, but you can also perform or execute other advanced and additional tasks as well. Make use of that after watching the video. First, I want us to deal with an assignment. Yeah. So I posted the first question of the assignment, and guess what? It provided me with accurate and very efficient answers. Again, I advise you to not provide the exact same answer this AI gives you. Yeah. I advise you to be able to provide your own solution from whatever it gives you. Yeah. So you could even ask it to summarize your solution for you. You're going to do that with haste. So I asked it the second question, and there we go. So you can use it for your emails. If there's a recipe you'd want to have or access, you can ask this wonder. Yeah. So at the moment we are solving our assignment. Very awesome. Sublime. And voila, the assignment is done. So let's quickly generate an email with AI or with ChatGPT. Yeah, real quick. Users even have the option of choosing another solution or answer this AI gives when they are not okay with the answer provided. They do that by just clicking on the regenerate response. Now I'm going to ask it to generate an email. So a couple of times you may experience technical issues with the site, but luckily it is in fine fettle for now. Our email is down for now. All you have to do is make the appropriate changes and you are good to go. So now let's ask ChatGPT to generate a Python code of a simple calculator. Let's see if it can do the magic. There we go. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. Yeah. There is our code. Wow. Again, let's see if it can generate a CV. Yeah. So let's do that quickly. CV. Yeah. So, wow. There you have it. So with this, all you have to do is fix in your name and the suitable credentials here. Wow. This is way too awesome. So I have my CV now. All I have to do is edit it. I'm gonna add my name, every requirement that I have to put in. I'm gonna do that, and I'm good to go. And guess what? This can even generate you your favorite recipe. So all my ladies out there, and even my men, whenever you forget your recipe, or you want to learn new recipes, all you have to do is ask ChatGPT. And for this, I'm gonna be able to cook my favorite dish myself. Thanks to ChatGPT. So it's going to generate me the recipe for the Ghanaian jollof. The most delicious of them all, for a matter of fact. So obviously you can see I'm being given the ingredients, the instructions, and whatever that is necessary. Well, this way to also sublime performance and function. So we've come to the end of the video, and I really appreciate your effort for watching this video. I hope this video was educative and informative, and see you soon in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave any comment you have for me in the comment section. See you soon, and bye for now.